Okay, so we kind of one thing, but sometimes the trees may does not look good. So I want to show you additional options we can do here. And what we're going to do at this point, we take this two coloring, disable, Control Command Shift Alt E just above, and we'll go to create filter, stylize, and we'll go to oil paint. So in oil paint, I want to see, yeah, we'll have it scale 0. Let's go scales details 100, clearness 10. Okay, so we'll leave just like this. Let's go click OK. And we'll go create new mask, Command Control I to inverse. And let's come closer. So for example, right here, it's dog fur. We'll take our brush. Let's decrease, make it smaller. 10%. Let's switch to the white, and you can see when I start painting, just add a little bit interesting effect to the fur. So I don't need to do too much. Okay, I just need it in an area where we lost a little bit of the fur. I just want to touch up to add it. Kind of, a little bit as. Same we can do on her shoes. Just a little bit cleaning. So right here, white we don't see, but you can, if we start adding a little bit of paint, it's add texture a little bit to this. I don't want too much. But let's add this a little bit nicer. Same if you see on a plant, we can do on a plants. Just example, let's go right example, where's messy? Right here. So let's see what's happening. So if we do this way, you can see it's a little bit start kind of cleaning, painting effect to provide to this. In some cases, maybe too much, but it's up to your taste. I just want to show example. So we go out, you can see it's add kind of this painting effect almost to this. I'm not necessarily like this, how it's looked, but overall, just so you can experiment and test how it's worked for you. Okay, a couple other things I want to do with this. Let me go check. So right here we can add little bit more on a fog around this area. Let's go before create new layer. Go fog. We go to white color, 100%. Just brush, and I'm just going like right there, painting. Okay, next we'll go to filter, blur. Go and blur just a little bit more softer on them. We can go to the little bit to the soft light, and now we can just bring a little bit, just soften out slowly, not too much. Okay, next also let's optional frame. So we'll go curves, and I'll just take this curve, go all the way down, and we'll take select tools, go from one corner, and just go about right here, this corner. We'll go fill up with a black color, and inside curves we take feathering and bring kind of like this. Okay, switch to the soft light, and you can see we just add a little bit of the framing. Again, it does make a little bit darker kind of attention. I don't know if you like or not, but nice things about used curve, because I don't think black work very well. However, if we're going to the white actually look better in this case. We can see we still kind of fading out, but I think in this case they were more complementary to that. Okay, let's go to next. We'll go to vibrance, and we can add a little bit more vibrance. Again, I like the clouds and other things, so I'm going to bring vibrance to 40 in this case. I don't want saturation, so I don't want to add what we did right here to reduce a little bit, but vibrance to this area, I think it just add a little bit more nicer on coloring. Okay, and additional optional, I don't think I will do here, but just example, you have it 50% gray, create new layer, filter noise, add noise. Okay, well, monochromatic this one, and we'll switch this to the soft light. So in some cases, some people like add this film look, film grain kind of look to this. So a little bit add kind of digital noise, almost, you know, film grain look. So some people may like it. I maybe do sometimes, but I think it's kind of add right here. We're losing some detail. So it's up to you. If you like a grain, you can add it. This may help to hide some effects. In my case, I'm just disable. But again, that was optional. So right here, overall our image, and let's go to select group, color retouching, and you can see before our image we created, we have the fence with coloring, all this grayish look, and after. So we add some gradient color, we remove the fence from this, and add a little bit more. I think this way image can stand up, create some interesting pictures. Again, it's not necessary. You can always modify and change how you like it, but I hope it provides some different tools for you to look at. And thank you for watching this tutorial.